Ciao everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Anastasia. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the new line of coffee launched by Starbucks a few months ago called Oleato. These coffee drinks are made of extra virgin olive oil and coffee together. Oleato in Italian means oily. I have to be honest with you, as an Italian woman who was raised in Italy among the olive trees, when I heard of these Oleato drinks, I was a little bit skeptical about this whole idea of putting extra virgin olive oil in coffee. I really can't stop thinking about this Sopranos scene where Polly Walnuts discovers Starbucks.
How do we miss out on this? What? Fucking espresso cappuccino.
By the way, if you haven't watched Sopranos, I would strongly suggest you to watch one of the most amazing TV shows in the history of TV shows. But I'm digressing. Oleato made his debut in Italy and then launched also in New York, in Los Angeles, in Chicago, and they're gonna launch also in Japan very soon. However, the reality is that Sicilian people have been enjoying putting olive oil inside coffee for a long time, but it remains relatively uncommon in the rest of Italy. So I decided to create an Oleato beverage myself to see what extra virgin olive oil tastes like in coffee. I'm gonna make my coffee with Kimbo, which is one of my favorite brands in Italy, and then I'm going to put this Loro d'Angelo, which is an extra virgin olive oil from Puglia, produced by Solimando. I really like this extra virgin olive oil. It's made with monocultivar Simone, only one type of olives. Let's see how it's gonna go. I'm gonna use my pot here, my regular everyday Italian pot over here. I actually should have done this coffee early today, but the day went by so fast and now I'm gonna have this coffee very late. I hope I'm gonna sleep tonight. A lot of people are complaining about Oleato because apparently, I don't know how to say this, they're blaming it on the oil, or this looseness. Coffee's boiling. I'm not gonna put a lot of olive oil in my coffee. Yeah, just a little bit. Maybe I did a teaspoon. So I'm gonna use this, I don't know how to call this. It came with a matcha tea set that I bought. Oh no! It's going all over the places. Alright, but I still wanna taste this, so I'm just gonna go by my sink. I'm burying myself. Look at this. It has that nice creaminess on top. Can you see it? It looks almost like espresso. Wow. I'm really enjoying my Kimbo with this Solimando oil. It is actually really weird to do this, combining these two flavors, but I'm liking it. I enjoy this bitterness. I'm enjoying this velvetiness that comes from the fats inside the olive oil, almost like that creamy feeling, like when you put some whole milk, some nice whole milk in a coffee. Even though I'm somebody that drinks black coffee, I can appreciate a coffee with cream. Yeah, I mean, this is a yes. So here's my take on it. As the wise Irish Apfel once said, more is more, and less is a bore. Now, as much as I believe that it's true in the realm of fashion, I don't quite believe the same in food, although certain flavors pair really well together. In food, I believe less is more. So what's my take on this Oleato coffee? I mean, I haven't tasted Oleato yet, and I will taste it and I will make a video about it. But what do I think about this coffee that I made? I really enjoyed it. I am surprised about myself because coffee is so strong as a flavor and extra virgin olive oil is such a personality. So why would I mix these two flavors together? But it tastes good. It is definitely an alternative for people, for example, that are vegan or people that don't want to put milk or oat beverages, other things in their coffee, and they want to try extra virgin olive oil. It has a sense. But other than that, adding extra calories to my black coffee seems illogical to me. I prefer to reserve those calories for lunch, dinner, perhaps for a nice panino. Another take is, why would I put extra virgin olive oil that I don't know much about it in my coffee? What is the deep need for this olive oil in coffee. Am I doing it for health reasons? Am I doing it for taste? So kudos to Starbucks for rebranding two of these most important Italian staples.
It's not just a money, it's a pride thing.
And I'll definitely go and taste Oleato soon. Meanwhile though, I'm gonna keep my pleasures separate. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and see you till next. Ciao!